issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Dutch County in southeast Wisconsin, northwestern Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin until 9:45 p.m. At 9:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Waterloo to Deerfield and moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include